In this template, I have also included a camera shake blueprint. So suppose if you have gone ahead and made a sequence. So I have already gone ahead and made a sequence just to demonstrate, and you have made a sequence with the way you want and based on your requirement. And now you want a camera shake blueprint. You can go ahead and create it easily, but if someone doesn't know how to create it, it's a big problem for him. So that is the reason I have already included it. So all you have to do is go to the first frame of your camera and then go here, and then I will bring this a little bit forward. Click on this and then go ahead, click on camera shake, and you will see 001 camera shake cinematics, which is lying here inside this 3D architects blueprint and then camera shake, which can be just added in any camera sequence in a click. And this is, and you can go ahead and increase the size, like increase the length of it according to requirement, and this is made to loop. So no matter how long you are using this camera shake, it will loop infinite. So this is the way you can go ahead and use the camera shake, which is already present inside in any of the sequence you are making. And this camera shake I have used in n number of project and cinematic videos, and that is why I have included it, because it's very useful. It looks very realistic. It's subtle, and yeah, it can be added in just one click because it's already included in the template.